Hi, I am Toufiq, a software developer. Today, I will show you how to turn any web application into single-page application within 2 minutes after using my Jquery plugin. In my demo, I will apply this plugin to a Ruby on Rails project. I just downloaded a sample Ruby on Rails project from this link. You can learn this building this application from this YouTube video. Open in Visual Studio Code. Let's run this project. Login. Here is the left sidebar I already added, and let's click account. If I click any link, the whole browser is refreshing. Let's submit this form. Let's submit. The whole browser is refreshing. Let's edit. Let's update this title. Updated. Let's turn this application into single page application within 2 minutes. Let's create a folder SPA under assets folder and explore this folder. Expand SPA folder. Here is my all source files. Let's specify toufiqElahySPA. Let's go to application.css file. toufiqElahySPA.css file will be called from this file. Now go to master page application.html.haml file. If Ajax request, then we'll do something, and if not Ajax request, then whole portion of this master page will be invoked. Let's scroll down, copy this yield and flash section and paste it in this if condition. Scrolling down, need to call our plugin. When the document is ready, this plugin will be called. Here toufiqElahySPA function already mentioned in the plugin. Let's copy this toufiqElahy ID and paste it here. So yield and flash section is wrapped inside toufiqElahy ID. Let's run the project and enjoy the magic show. Refresh the whole browser to load the plugin. Now, if I click any link, only the partial portion is updating. New pin, pins. Let's click new pin and submit this form. Select a image. Now title, description. Let's submit. Only partial portion is updating. Like this page. Edit, backward button. Only partial portion is updating. Let's update this pin information. Submit. Already reflected. Let's delete this. Account. Let's check backward and forward button. So only partial portion is updating and rest of the portion is static and is not changing. So it's helpful for faster browsing experience. It will increase the performance. So here I am syncing and everything is fine. Let's see the final demo. Click sign up. Let's click login. Let's click forgot your password. Let's click sign in, log in. Here is the Pinterest. Clicking toggle. Here is my left bar. Click pins. Clicking account. Let's create a pin. Selecting an image. Let's give a title. New pin 1. Let's give a description. Let's submit. Already created. Let's close this. Let's edit this pin. The form is showing below. Let's update this pin. We are updating the title. Let's submit. Title already updated. Let's click new pin. Here is the modal window. Let's create a pin through modal window. Giving a title, description. Let's create. Already created. Here you can see. Let's click edit. Let's update this as well. Title already updated. Let's click backward button. Let's click forward button. So everything is working. Let's click pins. Let's delete. Already deleted the pin. Here is the pin modal window. Let's click pin board. Modal pops up. Let's delete. Let's cancel. It will not be deleted. Let's click OK. Pin already deleted from the pin list. Let's sign out. Sign up with new user. Let's give a new email. Giving a password. Again the same password. Sign up. Let's view the pin. Let's like this. Let's view this pin and edit this one. Let's sign out and sign in with another user. Click this pin. Let's like this, like already updated. 2 users like this pin. Hi, I am Toufiq, a software developer. Today, I will show you how to turn any web application into single-page application within 2 minutes after using my Jquery plugin. In my demo, I will apply this plugin to a .NET Core project. Let's download a sample project. I already downloaded the project from this link. Let's run the project. Let's add left navigation bar to this application to look beautiful. After adding sidebar, the application looks like this. Now, if I click any link of this application, you can see that the whole browser is refreshing. Let's submit a form. If I submit any form, the whole browser is still refreshing. Let's click backward and forward button. Results are the same. Let's turn this application into single page application within 2 minutes. First of all, add my Jquery plugin and all necessary files. Then go to layout.cshtml file and add this plugin at the end of the body tag. Now write Jquery code to call the function of this plugin. This ID selector must match with the parent ID of the render body. Let's modify viewStar.cshtml file. Here, if AJAX request, then the content will not be cached on browser. If not AJAX request, then the master page will be invoked. I am done. Let's run the project and enjoy the magic show. Now, if I click any link of the application, you can see that only render body section is updating. Look at the browser URL. It is updating correctly as well. Let's submit a form. If I submit any form, then only render body section is updating. Let's check backward and forward button. This is the documentation of my plugin. Let's apply first rule. Go to students index page. After clicking this create new link, I want to show its content at the bottom of this page. Let's achieve this. Let's write div tag with a specific ID selector. Now write AJAX target attribute inside create new link and put the ID selector here. Let's see the demo. Now if I click create new link, the content will be showed below. Let's submit this form. Row already added to this table. Single page application is responsible for reducing load pressure and load time on both server and client side. Let's prove this. Go to instructor page and click select link. Here, entire render body section is updating. But we want only second table to update. Let's achieve this. Split this action method into 3 action methods. Let's create underscore index1.cshtml and underscore index2.cshtml file. Let's move second table to the underscore index1.cshtml file. And third table to underscore index2.cshtml file. Let's specify AJAX target attribute to the select link button. Done. Let's see the demo. Now, if I click select link, only the second table is updating. In this way, we can improve the performance on both server and client side. Let's see the final demo. Go to students page. Let's add a student. Row added. Let's update this row. Row updated. Let's delete this row. Row deleted. Now click Details link. This table shows all courses of the student. Let's add course to this student. Let's remove course. Go to course page. Let's add multiple courses and update multiple rows as well. Let's delete courses. Go to instructor page and play with the select link button. Go to department page. Let's add a department. Let's update the record as well. Let's delete it. Let's see everything in one page. Click Students and Course button. Click Instructor button. Now Department. Let's add a student. Row added. Let's update this row. Row updated. Let's delete this row. Row deleted. Now click Details link. Let's add course to this student. Let's remove course. Go to course page. Let's add multiple courses and update multiple rows as well. Let's delete courses. Play with the select link button. Go to department page. Let's add a department. Let's update the record as well. Let's delete it.